morning, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm super excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to make some extra large pillar Christmas tree candles. Now, tree candles are a hit, y'all. Listen, they sell for like $55 at some of the retail stores. And then at Target, they definitely sell for like $30 to $40 right before Christmas. It's going to be a very good video, guys. If you love my videos, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and listen, if you want the wick size, you want every single thing that we're using, you want the wax, you want all of the information to make these candles yourself and to customize them to your liking, and click the link in the description box. It will take you to the Patreon. The Patreon is full of candle making recipes, skincare recipes. It's so much in there. It's, oh my God, so many hours of classes and coaching and wick training. You will never be disappointed, okay? Every single year, people specifically go out to the stores scouting and searching and looking for these particular candles. They are so beautiful, and all they do is just sit around. Most people use them as decor. Some people use them to burn. Either way around, they're definitely something that you want to add to your holiday collection. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so you want to take your silicone mold and you want to put it into a glass cup. The reason why I say put it into a glass cup is because it will wobble. As you guys can see, it wobbles. And you want to make sure that it's nice and stable. So I use a glass cup. You can also use a status jar if you ever been to Dollar Tree and purchase one. So let's wick our candle. So as you can see, I'm using the spool, and that is basically the full yarn. It is already dipped, so it's already been primed in a high melt point wax. So I don't have to do that part. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a needle. Okay, so these are like some little plastic needles that you could get from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. Really just something you can get from your local craft store, okay? And, you know, they sell them longer, they sell them shorter. I just keep using the same one every time, and I make sure I keep up with it so I don't lose it, okay? And I believe mine came with something on Amazon. I got mine off of Amazon. So you just poke it in the middle, make sure it's in the middle. If not, your wick will be off-centered, okay? So that's very important. And once you get it in there, and it should just go in there pretty smoothly, you're going to pull it through the hole. Keep pulling it all the way through until you get that wick on the other side, okay? Now, I know it may look like because you're poking a hole, you're going to have leakage. You won't, guys. Once you pull that wick in there, it's pretty much sealed up. All right, so go ahead and grab your pillow wax, and you are going to start putting it inside your pot. It is very important that you use a pillar wax because your average soy or your parasoy, it won't be hard enough. So go ahead and put it into your pot, and you're going to add some green color liquid dye, not the dye blocks. We typically like to use the liquid dye because this will be burned, okay? So fill your mold all the way up to the top. Allow it to cool for about 2 hours. And now we are going to go ahead and unmold it. Okay, so now when you unmold it, make sure that you take your time. First things first is you want to break away the silicone from the candle. Now you should not have the candle breaking on you if you use the right wax, but if you are rough with it, it will snap. Okay, so take your time and make sure that you do it after about maybe letting it sit for an hour. I would say an hour or two just to be on the safe side. All right, so you want to peel this back like a banana, and you want to peel it till you get closer to the bottom of it. Just keep peeling it as long as it will allow you. Just keep rolling it back. Keep on rolling it back. Try not to put too much pressure on it, but you know, just take your time. And when you get a little farther down, closer to the tip of it, you can shake it a little bit, but at the same time, don't shake it too much because you will snap it. All right, so now we have unmolded it, and the next thing you want to do is you want to cut that wick. Okay, you want to separate the wick from the spool, and you want to trim the wick that's on the bottom as well. But guys, this is it. We are finished. Oh my God, this came out so nice. So one thing I can tell you about this, while we have a little bit more free time and I'm cutting this wick, you can use glitter on the outside, like, you know, like just the sparkle glitter, or you can use like the bigger chunks of glitter, and it will look so pretty. It will really bring this tree to life. So you can decorate it that way. And also, like I taught you guys before, if you put a little bit of white wax inside the mold, that will give it like a frosted look. So it's just so many different ways to jazz this up. I can't wait to see you make yours.